All right, guys, so I hear Target has a lot of their stuff for 90% off. So I just came. Now, I did hit up another Target before this, and the other Target was, I was able to find a little bit more stuff. So you're going to kind of see two different clips. But this one has like a lot of their candy, and even though it's showing 70% off, when you go and scan it, they're having issues with the scanners as well. But as you can see, here is 70% off, but at the other Target it was 90, and they're still going to honor it because it's like within a certain radius of each other. So, and I picked this up at the other Target, and so like I said, I'm going to insert a clip and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so clearance at Target, on some places it's ringing up 90%. I went to a different store, and I'll show you the clip of that, where it was actually 90, but then here at the store closest to me, it doesn't have it. It's still ringing 70%. Okay, no, never mind. It says 90%. So let me see what I can find. As you can see, it's slim pickings. They have these plates. I don't think I want that. All right, and as you guys can see, it's pretty much gone. Yikes. These are some type of, what are they? Shine on nail gift sets. Okay, I just see this brush set. Okay, so I have this bag in my hand because one of the things that I did find and I purchased already, it was these, and it was the Swedish fish, and I think they were ringing up like 47 cents. So I had grabbed that, and I didn't know that the clearance was back here, so I had to rush back here to find it, and that's what I'm doing. All right, as you can see, it's still a little crowded. Let's try to get in there. Okay, guys. All right, guys, so I just went to the other Target, and these were $2. So they didn't have these, the nail polish, so I'm gonna grab those. And then I also found these set of brushes, and then this set of brushes, so I'm gonna check those out as well. And as you can see, it's not much.
I don't think so.
Let's see.
Yeah, those are gonna be too big.
These are good. All right. Oh, there go the makeup brushes. I see some more. These are great to give away. All right. Alrighty. And then they also have these. Which are 30 palette shimmers. So we'll see. Hello. Alrighty here. And I don't want Alright, guys, so these are some of the things that I have picked up from Target's 90% off sale. Now, some of the things are not ringing up correctly, but I will show you. So they told me to just take it up front. These, let's just go to the scanner. All right, so these, which I think are cute, that you can give away as gifts or even just donate them, which I'm gonna probably give them away for my church. So we're gonna scan. And these are $1. So I'm going to get, I think they had 3 of these, so I'm going to get them. They have this candy, which I have an event coming up, and I thought that this would be great. It doesn't expire until August, and these are only $1.10, and that's not bad for these bags. Then they also had this gift set that I ended up getting, and it was originally $20, and I think it's ringing up for like $2. And she said that it could be lower at the register as well. So for that, I'm going to get, and this did not have it, but the lady told me that I can get this for 49 cents. So I'm just gonna grab it. Didn't have a ticket on there. And then what else did I get? Most of the stuff is like the lip gloss stuff because it was, come on, baby. 49 cents. So definitely cannot beat that. I'm going to look around and see what other items they have, but this is what I have thus far in my cart. And I got a lot of candy because you can always set that out, give it out, but this is 90% off. So let's continue on. All right, guys, so now I am leaving Target. This is it. So if you need some of the items that I showed you, please like, comment, subscribe. But I would definitely suggest that you get there now because there's not going to be any left. All right, thank you so much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.